Hi, today let's talk skin. So I'm going to start off by telling you about my skincare routine. I cleanse my skin morning and night, and after which I use a toner. After the toner, I use a oil which is a blend of essential oils, and then I use my moisturizer, and of course I go on to a sunscreen. Now, in the night, I definitely have to use a vitamin E cream, which is very important. So I go through the whole routine and use the vitamin E cream. And once a week, I use an exfoliator, a peppermint exfol gel, which has AHA in it. So it gives me a very mild exfoliation. And that's really what I use. Of course, if I'm going out sometimes, I use a face pack because face pack helps to iron my skin.